23, you should know that.
Sorry.
Okay, yes or no?
I'm not 23.
I didn't think you were 23.
Sorry. I'm 18. You're 18? Yes, sir. Sorry.
Not a lot of 23-year-olds hang out with 18 and 19-year-olds, so I didn't think you were 23.
Now, do you have an ID or anything with your name?
In Georgia.
If I did, I promise I would give it to you. I don't know. In our room.
I'm sorry, we can just go back to our room. We won't cause you any trouble.
You guys have a room here?
Our parents are picking us up. They had a room here, but it's expired now, so we're just going home tonight.
You going back to Georgia tonight?
What?
Not
You
Georgia.
going back to Georgia tonight? No?
I live in Tampa. I'm just going back to Tampa tonight.
Me?
Yep.
Are we getting put in cuffs right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did we do so long?
You're underage drinking on Clearwater Beach. There's zero tolerance.
So are we going to jail right now?
You are.
Please.
Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Actually, do me a favor, unsnap your little thingy.
Oh my gosh, are you serious, dude?
I am serious, yes, ma'am.
I really don't want to go to jail right now.
I understand that. Turn around for me, please. Pull your hands away from your body, please.
No, I don't know what's happening. I'm a little scared right now. Do you think you could tell me what's happening?
You know what's happening. Here, turn
Why
around.
are we going to
You're
jail
under
for
arrest.
drinking?
What are the
Because
rights?
the rights,
Aren't you supposed to be there, or did
I'll
I
read-
not take a civil law?
you didn't pay attention during that part of the civil law. You will. You'll be able to.
I don't want to go to jail right now.
I understand, but you are going to jail. You want to take your backpack off for me, please?
Can you explain? I'm about to be handcuffed, baby. I'm a little scared. I'm
Okay, take off your
sorry.
backpack.
I'm just a little scared. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, you're good. Tell him goodbye.
He really wants to talk to you.
I'm not talking to anybody.
He
Tell him
doesn't want to talk to
tell him
you.
goodbye.
Okay,
If you
love you,
if you would
babe.
hang up the phone, that'd be great. Okay, you want to secure it in your backpack so that way we don't accidentally.
Can we please just forget this? I promise.
No.
I'm just a little scared.
No, I'm sorry.
You could help me.
No, I'm
I don't
sorry.
know. My dad just fucking cursed me. I'm treated for anxiety.
Okay, you're treated for anxiety. Okay, stop. Chill. Lean up against there. Okay, lean up against the thing. If it makes you feel better, have a seat in the grass.
I'm
Okay.
just a little scared.
I
don't
understand.
Really know what's
Okay,
happening.
I understand.
Sorry.
Listen to me. I understand. Go ahead, sit. I understand.
I need to call my mom before.
Okay. Okay. Grab your phone. Call your mom.
Hey, let me call my dad, please. I've never been in
Why is she allowed to? Because she has anxiety. I'm also diagnosed with depression and anxiety. Can I sit in the grass without being cuffed?
No, you're gonna sit in the grass already cuffed because I already handcuffed you.
And she's allowed to call her mother? Can I call my
promise
mother?
we just get picked up by our
No,
parents.
you're
Can we-
going.
Am I
You're going.
allowed to
Everybody's
call my mother?
All three of you are going to jail.
Am I allowed to
For
call
what?
my
Are we
mother?
spending the night there? Like, what is happening?
No, you go to jail, and then
we
what
get
happens
picked
after
up?
you go to jail?
It's a bond.
Yes, you get a bond.
Guess
Okay.
what? We have to
If
owe
you
all
would-
of our parents.
It's up to you. If you would like to sit in the grass, that's fine. If not, we have the transport van
Alright,
that's
can
air
I
conditioned.
also call my mother?
I don't know if you Are we
No.
all going together? Because
Oh,
You're all
only,
going
only
together.
she's allowed?
Yes.
For
Yes.
why? Because she's
For why?
diagnosed. I'm also diagnosed.
Okay, I am sorry to hear
All
that.
right, Lindsay, come on, let's go in the van.
She's having a panic attack, so we're giving her a minute. Do you need the fire department?
No, sir, I'm just gotta tell my mom and I'll forget
Okay.
everything. And then, they saw us walking with a white claw, and then they told us to talk to us, and I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not drunk, Mama. I'm just, Mama. I mean, sir, they're just trying to. My mom is trying to talk to you. Do you think
No, I'm sorry. You can't drink alcohol as a minor. I'm sorry.
I promise
Your
I'm
mom
not
should
drunk or
have
anything. I
watched you.
promise, sure.
I'm sorry. Now's not the time for you to bring your mom into it. I'm sorry,
You're
ma'am.
telling me.
I'm sorry.
I'm scared. I'm not drunk or anything, Mom. They're gonna test me, and I'm not.
We're not going to test you.
I don't know what you have to do, Mama. I'm 18.
She'll have to pick you up from Pinellas County Jail.
They're just. They said they're gonna have to pick me up.
No, we're in the Pier 64.
They can come pick me up from where, sir? I'm sorry, Pinellas County Jail.
404. Did I put in a request for
I didn't do
PPA?
anything wrong, Mama. I didn't even drink. I don't know what is happening. There's
Could I get
spikes
that
breaking
rolling?
out everywhere,
3
and then they just called
adult
me
female.
aside because I had a can in my hand.
The same one that's
They're in
549
there.
or
They're here with me. I don't know what's happening. I'm just scared.
If 549 is Bingham, we were together, ma'am. I apologize for the confusion.
They don't really know what to do, sir.
Affirm.
My parents don't know what to do. They're just trying to get me.
All they got to do is they wait for you to go to the jail, and when you get to
He
the
doesn't want to talk to you,
no,
Mama.
when you get to the jail, you call your parents, and your parents will pick you up.
Is there any way someone can just get me from here?
No.
I won't do anything.
I have your call for Tower 4, and there's 3
I'm
separate
just
people
saying
there.
someone
and
can
that's
sit
the 3 that we're
with
doing.
me. Mama, I don't
That was
know
somebody
what
else.
to
That
do.
was
They're
Paloma, I
really being
think.
difficult right now. I'm just a little
That's
confused,
545.
and they won't explain to me
We're
what's
out here at
happening.
Pier 60 Park.
I don't know. I'm not drunk. I haven't had a sip. I literally had one sip, and I literally feel fine. I don't know what's happening. And then
Cool, from them, I
told me
apologize for
told
the
me to call
confusion.
you, and now I'm here. And then he doesn't want to talk. or I want
That
to
extra
talk.
set of cuffs that I just handed back to you, I'm going to need those for her. Okay.
But you're waiting here for my mom?
No, I'm not waiting here for your mom.
He said he wouldn't wait here for me, but basically this is what happened. A fight broke out and there was people jumping each other, so we tried to walk away. And then we just got pulled over and stopped, I guess. We're walking back to the car so we could get away, and then the police saw us with the White Claw in our hand. No, we're walking.
And you're how old? How old are you?
I guess, I don't know. I know, Mama. I'm just a little scared right now. I don't really understand. I don't want to hang up either, Mama.
Promise.
Okay.
I respect you.
Okay.
I'm just wondering when the door shuts when we're on the way to the police station, are we going to be in the dark with no air again?
It's a different van.
Okay. All right. I was just wondering.
I don't know if there's a light, and I don't know.
I just want some water. or something.
Some water.
I don't know.
There was a. I don't have more I can do for you. Do you want me to call the fire department for you to look at you?
I just want to call my fucking parents really bad.
Do you want me to call the fire department? Do you want the fire department?
No, she just like means a lot to
Okay.
me.
Look at me. Do you want me to call the fire department for you?
No, I don't.
Do you want the fire department?
Okay, thank you.
I mean, you're staring straight into the sun. If you sit over here in the shade.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
We all travel together. We drank one White Claw and we're going to jail.
Stop.
I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it.
White Claw's against the law. Especially when you're not
I
21.
bet they're doing so much more illegal.
I know. But you guys walked right through the police, breaking the law.
Can we just like make an agreement?
I mean, what do you want me to do?
I don't want anything to happen to my best friends, bro. They're both hyperventilating next to me.
I'm not hyperventilating.
Because if you pass out on me, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I know.
Do you want the fire department? Do you need the fire department?
No, it's just more money. Just don't call them.
I know.
Are you having an emergency?
I watch a lot of life.
You know CPR.
Nancy, stop fucking saying that. Please get me out of these handcuffs. I'm having a
Can I have FT, please?
I'm not doing anything, guys. I can't control my vasovagal.
Emergency, please.
No, there's no emergency.
There's no
I'm at the same location. They'll see us. We're within the park.
I'm saying no emergency. I'm okay. I'm not passing out. My heart's good.
Are you a juvenile, ma'am? Are you a juvenile or an adult?
Juvenile.
It's going to be a male juvenile and a female juvenile. Copy.
One
Attachment to that. I'll help with traffic. Trying to get over it. Copy, you're attached.
Something to me.
These are the Hiltons by the park.
I was play fighting with my friends.
It's the same group of kids. They're going to be south of. There's two girls with boxing gloves fighting each other.
580 423.
Why am I here?
Go ahead, 580. Yeah, I saw those two fighting.
This is a good day at the beach.
Alright, where were they? If they start fighting again, let me know. But in the meantime, all these people standing on the bridge thing over here, they need to get moving. They can't be hanging around on the bridge. Or on the pier, rather.
Never coming here now. Yep, I know. A man beat this girl up here.
85 to 580. Are these the two that I have? The ones that were fighting? Yeah, they have the gold gloves on. Those are the two.
Are your arms long enough to like put mine?
Yeah, there's a large skin or large body cream man with two pairs that took the gloves off one of them. I don't know what you're fighting.
Stay at 549.
Breathe in here.
There's no air?
We can't breathe in here. It's so dark. Can you give us some light, please?
Okay, listen, I'm not trying to do anything to you. That's the air.
No, we can't. I can't.
Okay.